Do you know what time it is? Skin fucking care time. Oh shit. So let's start with tying my hairs back. Yeah, this is so cute. I had a great day today. I mean, some moments were really nice. Apart from that, it was really so. I went to see my friend who started working on a very minimum paying job. So I had to motivate him. So I went with some food and a small note. I hope it helps and I hope you're really happy because I want to see my friends happy because my friends' happiness is my happiness and my happiness is also my happiness. So I won't let you dim my happiness, but I will be a part of your happiness. Okay, if you understand what I'm saying. I just let it air dry because I have the fucking oh, my hair's sticking out. I have a phobia of my face touching something it should not be touched by. So I applied 2 layers of the Tony Moly serum because it's very watery. Unlike the ceramide one, which my sister has, and it has really great consistency. And if I would could go back and buy the ceramide one, I would have. But it's expensive than the regular one. The small bottle is for I guess 700 rupees, and I got this for around 12 or 1300 rupees. It does like the basic job of toning, but it does not do something very big. So I would not purchase this again. A lot of my friends want clear skin and they have been asking me what am I doing differently than them. I eat bahar ka bullshit. I don't drink enough water. I don't consume vegetables. I do nothing. But one thing I do differently is I apply actives which are not that expensive once you invest into it and use the correct amount. I think it is going to benefit you for a very long time. You don't have to apply separate moisturizer and sunscreen. You could just apply sunscreen and call it a day. So moisturizer are not that cheap nowadays, but if you stick with one like Emollient, if you are going for a budget friendly option, you could use Emollient. I personally have been using Tretinoin and Retinol. I used to use Retinol before, but I've switched to Tretinoin because my skin has adapted it. So if you use correct actives, it is going to be really good for your skin. So I've applied my moisturizer and my active, and to top it all fucking off, a diaper rash cream. I do it twice a week, once a week or twice a week. But today is the day. I mostly use it when I use actives, and it does wonders for hydration. I bought this for 275 rupees, and it has been lasting me for months now because a small amount will give you a lot of white cast. And lastly, some handy dandy Vaseline. I like to apply thick layer and go to sleep. And that's how I prep my skin and my lips. I sometimes like to apply the active on my lips as well. Sometimes, okay? When I feel they're very dry. So I apply a moisturizer and the active and the moisturizer again or Vaseline. So you need to pick the right active for yourself. That is very important. Or you could fuck up your skin, or you could have great skin. If you pick appropriate active, you're gonna get such good result, and use it in moderation. Look at this. Oh, there's some white cast. Okay, it's Nini time. Bye kids. Love you so much.